Howdy, folks. Welcome back. Oh, hey. So the answer was, in fact, Catherine Zeta-Jones. Okay, I don't even know who Michael Douglas is. Hold up, let's look at this. Yeah, so today we're doing some Baba Is You, or right now we're doing some Baba Is You. It's already been today. Michael Douglas? Didn't I make these questions? No, I did not make these questions. These are completely random and every time and new to me. These are all, hold up. When I type trivia, StreamerBot, goes and pulls from a trivia API, which then I don't know, I don't even specify a category. It's literally just a random assortment of questions that gets returned with a question and a set of answers. It tells me which one the correct answer is in StreamerBot, which I'm not looking at. I could go check the variable, that would be rude. And then basically I take the correct answer and the other answers, I have it put them together in an array, randomize it, and then print it out as a chat message, and then whenever someone types in an answer command, it adds you guys to a StreamerBot group, and then it checks things. One day there will be a question you understand. Yeah, like I don't know a lot of these. I don't know who Michael Douglas is. I don't know actors. I just had heard Catherine Zeta-Jones the most, so I went, sure, that seems like someone who was probably in the news at some point. Michael Douglas, an American actor and film producer, what would I know him for, if anything? Nothing standing out. But yeah, so we've got those. I might do it so that we can like also specify a category, might be a cool thing. So that we can actually dial them in a little more, but figured might as well just give it a shot. So, woo woo. Let's continue with some On the Ceiling. Oh, that's right. The song is not about a girl? I don't know. Here, let's find out. Answer. Left alone, apparently. I didn't even read the question. Which of these is not a song featured in the Lockjaw episode released in 2013 by Flume and Chet Faker? Yeah, this is word salad to me. Yes. I remember understand. I had blessedly forgotten a little bit about it, and yet, here we are. So, which of these should we do last? Error file not found seems to me like something that's probably one that's going to be an ending thing, but I don't know, so I will leave it to the expert if there's a order preference. Okay. Is that for most people, error file not found will take the longest, but with Johan, who knows? Okay. Well, let's take a crack at Never Still. Also, wait. Oh. There's a new update that you need to send? Okay. Is it directly relevant to this one, or? Ah. Well then. We can work on error file not found in the meantime. Okay. Oh no, read this. Very real and actual error has occurred. All data in the internal file. Interal file? Yes, a very real and actual error has occurred. So, all data in the, I assume, internal file. Spelling 100. I mean, that's part of what makes it even better though, right? On the ceiling, that / level data is misplaced. Miss with 2. Data should be in on the ceiling, a different pack. Once fixed, a reload may be necessary. Probably not. Ignore the message below this. Please do not report this to the developers. Please report this to the So it forces to do the please report this to the developers. Nice. To be in on the ceiling a different pack. So whoa. Do we actually need to change something in our files? Because I don't know what the other level pack we would put it in would be, but properties. No, not properties. Manage. Browse local files. Okay. So data. And then it would be worlds. And then put it in something else. Okay, we'll double... Wait. Oh! Oh, interesting. I don't want to show this on stream because, again, I'm not super confident in all of my file naming, but made at 2:53 p.m., there's another folder called On the Selling. Huh. So, wait. Looks like this level is missing. Golaball is on the ceiling? Yes, yes indeed, Jawa. Welcome in. How goes? Baba is sad, so we literally can't play it right now. Because there's no Baba is you. Okay. Restart. So, on the ceiling should be in on the selling. Okay. So we go to on the ceiling. Never mind, okay. So on the ceiling / level date, or level data. U of M really doesn't want it to run properly on Windows. All data in internal file is misplaced. Data should be in on the selling. So literally the entire level data file, or just everything within it? I guess probably the entire file. Whoop. Okay. I'm a little terrified that it can make folders on the computer, but Only within. Fair enough. Don't worry. Okay. This is the pack on the ceiling made by the Fluffy Pug 19. It is a troll pack. So let's exit and do a full refresh. Sorry, roommates made fresh frozen pizza. Don't worry about that oxymoron. So I've been trying to subtly cram some into my face so I'm not quite as talkative. Apologies. Fresh frozen pizza. It's fresh out of the oven, but it was frozen pizza. It's got fancy crust, though. So it's still saying that. Band you go second. Seems fair. So, hold up. Is on the selling? What? On the selling. So I did do it wrong. I transferred the entirety of the level date, the level dat, whoop, over. Hold up. I can just make sure we're avoiding the rest of the file stuff. Blah. Bump. So, I moved this over to on the selling. So, do we need to just have the stuff that's inside? So move the things inside this to it, ignoring the folder itself. Okay. That's what it says. Yes, okay, fair enough. So, not the folder itself. Gotcha. Okay. Got some level when you finish those last two levels. All right. We can take a look at it. We do want to make sure that we get some Nobos level pack today, but we can give that a crack. Sorry for the file confusion. This was the best way you could think of. Oh yeah, no worries. It's interesting, and it's tough to articulate specifically what to do. Deputizing grudge. Okay. Middle yellow. Oh no, it's a lingo reference? Oh crap, so we have to anagram this somehow? Finest defeat, ion tile is not you. It's all a lingo reference, I guess. All is not end. I is you, monitor is win. Unhand. Deputizing grudge unhand. I should be. So we need Vine to like not be something. But we don't have an O. We can spell nut. Or I is float. But we don't have an O. Only problem is if you don't know the word you need to spell. Yup. Okay. Okay, so we could also potentially treat I as a letter. So we need, it's not going to use all of the letters, certainly. That would be insanity. Okay. Yee. So we need to figure out, let's reduce our search space, right? So we've got these letters. We need to figure out ways that we can deal with the vines. Sounds like a plan. So we need to find a way across the vines. To get across the vines, we need to either make vines not defeat. We could make I is safe, perhaps, but we don't have an F. So that also so we can't do float, we can't do safe. Right? Deputizing grudge unhand. No. Okay. So what else can we do? We could maybe try and maybe we could try and create extra objects. So we can't make it safe, we can't make it float. Can't make vine float. Can we even spell vine? We do not have the letter V, so no, we cannot do things to affect the vine. We not go through there. No phantom, I don't think. PH, no, because no O. Here, let's actually vowels. So, whoop. So, we've got EU and I. We'll pull all those out. So EU, I. And then we've got U and E. That's pretty much it, isn't it? We do have the A in and. Because we have seen that some of them we can do, so we should test that. So I wonder if we can do like I is hand. Because sometimes the letters in a word are getting treated as those individual letters. So we need to be careful about making any such assumptions. Bom, bom, bom. But yeah, so no A or O on their own, certainly. So I is hand. Okay, so it does not seem I-ish hand. Yep. I-ish and what? So, So, and is probably being treated as an and, then. So, what are things that we can do to get through something that's defeat? So, safe would be the easiest one. We don't have A or F. We could float. We don't have F. We don't have O. We don't have A. We could try and do teleport, but I don't think we can spell monitor because no O. So we probably can't tele there. Unless... Wait a moment. TE... No, we have no L anyway, because I was going, well, okay, maybe if we could make tile is tele, but we do not have the 2 L's that would be required for that. Deputizing grudge unhand. That's a lot of G's. So we can't transmute the vines because we can't spell vine, which is unfortunate. Deputizing grudge unhand. I don't think we're anagramming just each of these in line. Did we spell hedge? We could spell hedge, but we don't have any hedges currently. Nice! Hope you have fun with that. Right, so we also... Oh, right, and we can't go on tiles anyway, so that would be a bad idea to try and tele with those. We've got this, which feels less thick because of the tiles, but I guess that's not really that much of a thing for us. So no L. No L, no L. So even though those look thinner, they're probably just as thick, unless we can figure out... No, we can't do something else as us. Because we've got I as U and we can't spell Y-O-U. Or unless, hold up. Let's see if just the letter U parses as Y-O-U? Word scramble logic, maybe? Because if we could, then maybe we can make the I into something else, and that something else is us, which would give us access to the tiles, which would not solve our problems. That does not do it. Okay. We do also have access to I, so it seems like we probably want to make I something and something. Could we do... No, we can't do has, because that requires an A. So, no, I has something and something has I. I is... Man, I forget a lot of Baba words. Is gem? Gem should be a word, right? Let's just even see if we can get a transmutation going. So fun fact, in the far future, you're thinking of making like an update to this pack, adding more levels. Because you're not joking, someone had a dream, I made an update that added new levels. I think that's just too funny not to. Yeah, if someone has that dream, gotta go for it. No M? Oh, darn. I really want to make sure that we can do a transmutation, right? We can't do rock. Wait, what? Other 3 is a rhythm game? Oh, I have no clue. Wait, pet is a keyword, right? That's not a transmutation, but that's still something. It's like, because it does the like cute little hand, right? I is pet? Or am I going insane? Baba does that to one. Oh, okay. So yes, so this is functional. Note to self, or note to everyone here, please don't pet eyes. That seems like a great way to damage them. Okay. So we can do these things. So we really need to figure out what I needs to be. It needs to be something and something, I would assume. Okay. So we can do I is pet. What else could it be? Because we probably don't want to make it other nouns. I is pet. I should probably stop saying that, because that seems very clippable. Don't pet the eyes, they will tell lies back. True facts. I is the hand. The grudge. No, so what words would actually be useful? So petting is not useful. So what I'm deeply trying to think. So typically when we come across something in Baba that is defeat and insurmountable, we transform it or we find a way so that we don't interact with it. And I'm blanking on what words we can do to not interact with it, because we don't have access to Vine, so we cannot transmute it. We say TikTok, no, because there was no O, but I was thinking of that as a funny way to maybe be an alternate Vine. Not quite hinting yet. Because it's got to be something along those lines, and I feel like I just need to think through the words that we've got a little bit more. So like colors and such aren't going to do stuff, but I know we've got those in New Adventures. We don't have a B, so we can't do best. I'm trying to think somewhat. So we can't do best. We wouldn't want to do best. Can we do win? No, we have no W. Chill? No. No L's. If we can make it move and move, maybe? No O's though. But like, maybe we could do something so that like it carries over. So, or, ooh, shift? No, no F. Darn, because I'm like, wait. Maybe we could shift things out of the way. No, I have not asked yet. I was just musing aloud. We can't make the vines shut and then open them. We can't make, oh, like push, but we can't make them anything. Darn. Shift, but we don't have an F. We don't have a W, but swap could do stuff, right? Because then we could just sort of move through, right? Tella, we've already thought about. We can't do that. Oh god, mid-yellow? Yep. So, have you done this one already? No, just are aware. Yeah, we're struggling to come up with what words we would even need for this. Don't even own Baba? Fair enough then. I did not recall. So then I assume you've seen someone play it. Select. No. Can't do boom. I'm literally looking at a page of like what words. I don't think any of them help us. T-H-R-E-E. Wait. Oh, and saw paw. Oh, gotcha. I see. The lurk. Bum bum bum. Very fair. Yeah, no, mid-yellow, so lingo reference, so we're having to unscramble this, which is blah. I'm wondering if we can maybe do Baba is 3D, or I is 3D. Maybe that would do something different. I doubt it, because we're not doing the numeral 3, but this is also massive troll pack, so perhaps, if it is, I will laugh very hard. Baba is 3'd. Is th? Yes, exactly. Is th. Is thray. Is 3'd? Ah. Darn. Oh, hey. That was just happenstance, but fortuitous. So no, we cannot make it 3D sadness. Ooh. Wait. 3'd as in 3D didn't work, but that would be a really funny thing to put. Okay, sick. Glad I could think of something. I just had another probably terrible idea, but I wonder if this works. I'm looking at a list of keywords in Baba. That I feel is fine because I have a terrible memory. I'm not being directed towards anything, I'm just trying to remember what words exist. Is the best hint possible? Okay, well then. Like, I feel like this fair game of just like, I have terrible memory. Found a long word? Pretending. Ooh. Oh right, all is not end. That's why. Pretending. All is not end. I realized it a moment too late. So pretending. What does pretending do? Is that like mimic? I'm trying to remember if I've actually come across that one. So, but I mean, we can give it a shot. Don't know if that's a Baba word. Oh, okay. Baba is you pretending? Does not look like it is, but that, I mean, that is one that we can spell, so impressive. Your idea that will probably not work anyways. If you have if this is another winter, I'm going to be upset. So I mean, I trust you to sell hand. Yes, we did. We tried hand. It is an anagram of what we have. Yeah. And I guess we should try it because honestly, with a pack like this, who knows? But yeah, I believe we even already tried is hand Robert. Yeah, because we were trying to figure out if that would parse that way. Sag. We could probably spell Sag. No, yes we could. We couldn't spell is Sag, but we could just spell Sag. P-R-E-N... Oh no, P-R-E-T-E-N-D. You're not wrong. Me forgetful? No. Doot. Maybe it looks like an eye? Yes, this is possible. But it is also locked over to the side, so not sure why we would need more eyes. Pretending. We tend to the prees. Yep. It's like I'm very willing to assume the possibility of word scramble logic, but good Scrabble word. Genuinely, good Scrabble word. Unfortunately, apparently not part of the solution. Okay. We did I as pet. Mwah, we love the noise of reversal. Wait. Can we spell? Can we turn it into you? If we make Pug in the game, then Pug has to solve the level to escape? Ah, no! That would've been so good. Force you in. Is turn? Okay, but why would we turn? Then idle, so we just spin. Also, it doesn't have to be turn in a direction. And it's either like clockwise or counterclockwise. How would you even actually represent that? We could do, oh wait, nudge? Maybe. I think just turn works, sure. But also, wait, nudge should work then, right? But I thought turn always had a direction to it. I guess nudge does as well, but... It's not accepting that. I'm really curious about nudge, though. Turn up? Okay. So add a direction. Yeah, we'll try nudge, because I think nudge would probably get us further if we could. And let's try nudge up, and then if not that, we can try turn up. Turn up for what? Aha. Aha. Okay. And we can nudge right. And right. Okay. That's it. So that's what this is, because then we can travel. There we go, because then we can idle it. Yes. Yes. Yes, Han. So we want to get this down as far as possible. We might even need to get it further down, but we'll go with this. Nudge up and... Why? Because if we do just nudge right, it will... Oh, because then we could skip over there? Oh, right, because it wouldn't be... No, you are correct. So, well, let's try nudge right. Oh my goodness. Where it says gullible, true, which was secretly the plan all along. Because I am the most gullible streamer in the world. Sadly, I didn't see just the nudge right solution when making this. It's fixed in the newer version, and the only solution is nudge right and nudge up, because we can spell that multiple times. Doing it like this is funny though? Yes, it is. There we go. Oh! Lua error. Data worlds on the selling. Lua, oops. Oops, errors, sorry, .lua19. Level 1, sending completion flag to on the ceiling. Please report this to the developers. Okay. Alright. I win! Yay! So, do I return the data, or is it fine just chilling where it is? Error file not found. Ah, uh-oh, it looks like... Oh, this level is win and you missing and in the wrong spot? Uh-oh. Oh. Yay! We won! Okay, do we have that update? More file messing about? Okay. Alright. It's been a little while. I do not remember. So swapping it in. So how do we swap it in without losing stuff? Oh god. I only have. Oh, I probably should have deleted the other upload. Have I not emptied my recycle? Hold up. Code chaos. We've already got that uploaded. March success. We can delete. Sorry, I did not realize I had not actually deleted the other stuff off, so I'm running with 13 gigs left on the old hard drive right now. So there we go. We can free up from the March recording. Empty the recycle bin. Yay! The rubbish bin. Okay. So, downloads, on the ceiling, unzip, extract all. We'll extract to there. Alrighty. We have a file. Okay. So, do we just literally copy paste it over it, or it has been a little while? So I'm in the worlds folder. I've got on the ceiling and on the ceiling. So if I just delete on the ceiling and paste in the new on the ceiling, is it fine because the data, the save data is somewhere else, or? Johan moment. True. Just want to make sure that I do not screw everything up. I would be very sad. Boom, boom, boom. You can just copy paste it over. Already did the error level, so it won't mess anything up. Alrighty. And it will just say, replace these files. Yes. Okay. Alright. Intro to new Bobatech thinking, oh dear. I will say, I did start a little later than I was thinking, Jawa, so I want to make sure, I know Nobo's been waiting quite a while for this, I want to make sure we do a bit of Nobo's pack, and then we'll sort of we'll see if we can sort of put that one right at the end. Air level is the one that you can break if you do that, gotcha. But, like, we should hopefully be able to do this one with relative expediency, and then get a few of those in. Would also love to do some Sokababa, but... Alrighty. Jelly is you. We are jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jelly is never still. I'm still. Why does it say jelly is never still? I can idle. Fish is still and push. Okay. So we need to move that to break that up. VS Codium with NeoVim extension it is, I suppose. Dun dun dun. Now the fish are still, but we can walk through them. Wall is stop, skull is defeat, skull is move, flag is win, level is auto. Oh, so I guess okay. So we can't force the jellyfish to, okay. Huh. Never still. When we pause though, it is still. Skull is defeat, wall stop, levels, auto. Flag is win, fish is still, jelly is not still, skull is move. Jelly is not still in the pause? Okay. Wait, move in the pause screen? Oh. I was just thinking about, we are still when it pauses, but... Oh, interesting. Pug? What madness have you... Sorry, the movement is kind of glitchy. So this happens sometimes. Unpause and pause to fix it. That took so long to make, I can imagine. Oh, holy crap. I also like that, so you can tell when there's an error, and then you send a... Oh! That was not very genius of me. Also, that's... There we go. And this is like, please jiggle. Fish are troll. This is true. Can we move on to what? No, I don't think we can. There we go. Interesting. Truly delightful. And the fish are a red herring. Oh my. Round and round and round it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. There we go. Okay. Oh my god. Pug, I'm delighted. World 2, oh god, if it's a whole other world, we may put a pin in it for today, but that's fantastic. Or an epilogue. God damn it. Finally. Okay. Oh. All without gate is not hide. Wall is stop. Text on dust is hide. Gate is shut and is stop. Key is push and open. Hello, player. Your adventure through troll logic has been grand, but it comes to an end. This is probably a terrible thought, but can you... I assume with the music, can you play your own, like, sound files in Baba? Could you, like, do something like this and have a terrible narration? If anyone wants a narrated Baba level, you can send me voice lines. I would love to do terrible, terrible narrator voice for something like this. Hello, player. Your adventure through troll logic has been grand. the Babanley parable? Stanley Bababable. Okay, even so, I do have one more thing for you. One little thing. Do it in a really high voice? Oh, go for like the full-on claptrap? Hey traveler, so today... I'm being truthful here. It says gullible on the ceiling. Walk through the next door. Oh no. Is it... Pug, I'm gonna be really mad if it's the creature it that says gullible.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, speaking of the voice lines, oh my god! That was fantastic, Pug. It even was literally it saying it on the ceiling. Oh! Oh, that was so good. Thank you, Pug. That was a delightful, delightful level pack. That's literally it. It was the capitalization that I'm like, oh god, that's 100%, and yep, and that's literally it. Oh my god. The it is blue. Like a narration would be funny. It's like, yeah, whoa, great. Pug, we have to stop doing this thing where we both show up to the party and like one of us has to change. One more thing? Okay. What is the one more thing? Go into the main map? Alright. Okay. I don't think I noticed it. What did I not notice? I did notice that it takes it a moment to oh no, I didn't notice it. I noticed it took a moment for this. Oh, Pug, why? Oh, that's so subtle. Even with the grid, I didn't notice. Oh my god. Well, there you have it, folks. Pug the evil mastermind. That was round of applause. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Similar to Word Scramble, which I know there's more Word Scramble stuff, but that was a very well executed concept. The end with the funny. Thank you. Genuinely. Big ups, big appreciate. I still need to do I still need to put a panel on the Twitch thing, and it's like it only works while we're still small, but I wanna make sure I shout out like we've got the VIP, we've got artist things, but it's like I wanna say, like, hey, thank you to our lovely artists, and thank you to the people that make the lovely levels and such. Make the level rotate really slowly. Yes, like it's on a Lazy Susan. Also, that is your voice. I kind of figured. I assumed that you didn't like pull that from somewhere else, and I was like, oh, nice voice. But I didn't want to comment. I didn't want to bring it up if you didn't. Yeah, that's it. Oh, and that's fantastic. Voice reveal. Whoa! 10 out of 10 podcastable voice. Insane, actually. All right. So let us do a quick little jaunt into Baba's Lost Adventures. Fancy entrance. So yeah, let's chug through a little bit of this, and then we'll try and, like, in half an hour, try and take a look at the introducing thinking to Baba, which is something I struggle with, and then we'll call it good. Like this example from Rosetta Code, print fizzbuzz if modulo 15 equals 0, else print fizz if mod 3 equals 0, else print buzz if mod 5, else print I for I in range. Yeah, like that's, even if it's maybe not the pardon most efficient, like that's still a good way of doing it. That's just kind of very easy to lay out, right? Anyway, work on like one of the 12 ideas later, but I do have to go because hungry. Yes! Get food! Thank you! Thank you for sticking around, thank you for giving us such a lovely, lovely thing to deal with. I will beat myself up over the, understand for so long, but bye-bye! List comprehension go brr. Okay, so, Nobo, we have the fancy entrance. So, Baba is me, love that, because suffering is really me. Ergo, Baba is suffering by transitive property of stream title to game. Baba is you, wall is stop. Okay, me is me, flag is win. Hot, skull is defeat and melt. Okay. So, can we make me is hot? Actually, wait, no, so we want... Oh, that's right, because... Right, I forgot about this whole thing. Oh! Nobo. What? Nobo? Why have you purple-fied Baba? Don't pause him. Wait, don't pause, right? Oh, don't reveal the secrets, yes. Yes, do not reveal the things. I'm gonna bring up last stream, but there's no good time for it. Okay. Fiery living room. I don't want to see the pause screen? Oh. Okay. That's concerning. Bomb is you, flag is win, wall is stop. Skull is defeat and melt. Tile is hot. I love the fact that Python is considered an elegant language, and yet almost every Python module has an atrocious if... Oh, the underscores equals main... Yeah. If name equals main line. Oh, no, not even the underscores. Underscores bother me and stuff, but... So so if blank is equal to blank main... Here's the thing, my experience in Python, I've done a little bit for like some quantum computing stuff. Python is not one that I deal with a whole lot. So I don't know what that is, but I'm assuming that's along the lines of the, like, in Java. public static void main string args. All feeling random properties group is me. Also, me is retexture group. No, I figured it's something along those lines. Still, fun. So, Baba is me makes actual me. But if we do me is Baba, boop. Doesn't use group at all. Well, hot damn. Why was I afraid of the tiles? No, because tile is hot, but okay. Right, so skull is melt. Okay. Whoop. Oh. Oh no. I see. But if I do this, then I can use that to push over. Python script is ran. The interpreter sets some values to a bunch of special variables, name being one of them. Okay. Oh. Me is melt. Oh, and Baba is... Oh, Nobo, shaking my finger at you, you clever little scoundrel. It's like you thought of all of the things that I would do and designed around it. When a Python script is ran, the interpreter sets some values to a bunch of special variables, name being one of them. Okay. So it's assigning a value to name or assigning name to a value? Wait, but if we do this, if we do me as Baba, and then we get rid of that, crap. Happens too instantaneously. Wait, but so we can do this, then that's fine, but then we're screwed. Hern. So we need to figure out a way to get the word Baba over to the right. We've got access to me. So me is melt. Me is me. Perfect. Name is the identifier. Main is the value is set to when and only when you run a script. Oh! So to determine which script is the main one, you say name get set equal to main, and that's what identifies it as, hey, this is the one to run. Oh. Yeah, that's a little clunky. So no me is me. You can run any script directly? Okay, so what's the main doing? Is the value is set to when and only when you run a script directly. So the identify main is the value it is set to when and only when you run a script directly. Then yes, I've lost you there. I'm probably thinking too much in the lines of Java, because you always have a main thing in Java. So I'm probably thinking of it too much that way, and that is incorrect. So how do we use the me for this? Okay. Can we maybe have them like move together? No. Forget everything I know about any other language. Okay. You run a script directly, the value of name is set to main, otherwise it is set to something else. So what is the, so that is a byproduct of running it directly, or is that a byproduct of running the script directly, it gets set to main, or is it something where you set that value to main, and then that allows you to run it directly? I'm glad you do. So yeah, so pushing it all the way across. I'm just silly, yes. Yes, it's a byproduct of running it directly. Okay. Okay. Understood, I gather. Okay. So what's the purpose of that? There's a bit of BS here. Thank you. It's just a string with the text main stored in. It doesn't do... Okay. So there's part of my problem. I foolishly was assuming that there would be some sort of purpose to it. Silly, silly me. Huh. So you saw how when you made me is me, the level said infinite loop, but that only happens if there is a me on the level. Oh? Okay, so doing this? So doing this would work because there's not a me on the level? No, there is a me. Okay, so no, I'm not following what you're saying there. So, if there's a me... The word? What? Only happens if there is a me on the level. Me is me. Oh, Baba is me. I see. Do me is me. Okay. So, you can do if name equals main to make sure the code only runs when you execute the script directly, but doesn't run when you import it as a module. Okay, so it's a way to basically disable someone calling it from another script? Or as a module. Okay. Okay. So me and tile is hot. But then we don't have a me. Turn. Oh, wait. Can we get Baba is me? Because that will be Baba's melt. Hern. Doesn't run when code is imported. Okay, so it is not about preventing other things from calling it. It is just, hey, if you're importing this, you cannot just run this. Okay. Meant to be imported will have that line. Gotcha. Because otherwise, you import the code and it runs rather than just being something you have access to. So if we do me is me like this, we cause an infinite loop. Okay. But if we get rid of me, that's fine. However, then how do we get a me back? The line looks ugly. True facts. Especially if it's got those underscores. I'm not a fan of excessive underscoring, like, on the outside of stuff. I don't know, it looks goofy. It's like, well, how many underscores? Okay, so we can transmute me. We can do me is Baba. If it was just pushing text through the middle, I believe you, but Doesn't mean that I'm not struggling. So me is Baba. Okay. Because then that's... Just don't put the is in the middle? Oh crap! Right. I tried doing that earlier, it didn't work, and that was, did not work earlier, and so I discounted it. So, me is melt. No, because then we still got that, so there is more to it. Made the same mistake twice. Just now, assuming main had some special behavior attached to it, and earlier thinking the word replacement's being used as an identifier. Well, yeah, and that's part of it. In fairness, quote, I am also actively doing other stuff. But, especially with the replacements, it is something where, again, I'm a very verbal person. So I need to sit down, and I need to sit down with code, I need to step through it to really understand it, or I need someone to explain it to me in plain English, and sometimes I will blend the two. Where it's like, oh, well, it's main, so what does main mean? Of course, it must mean something that makes sense in that sort of linguistic context. Oh. Oh, wait, is this what you mean by don't put it in the middle? Oh, God. Am I really that much of a... Wow. Man, what an easy level. Who could spend so long trying to figure out how to make that one work? Well, there was just an interesting, almost traffic incident outside. Don't know exactly what happened. We'll need to check the cameras. There's an extra of that one? Oh no. Well, hey, at least we've got the idea in our head right now. But no, I do agree, quote, that it is funny that the same thing crops up twice. Okay, so the solution is completely different. Oh god. So wait, why is it completely different? So let's see and test. Oh, because me is me. I see. I see. So there's no problem with that. Okay. Don't ask why it doesn't get crossed out. I wasn't gonna. Okay. Is Baba me? I have not looked at any Haskell, no. Whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Don't. Okay, so... that doesn't work because then Baba is me and then me is Melt. So if we swap these two... Nobo. It's an entirely different thing. Me. Yeah, but what if we... because then we get me is me. I see. Do not the water. There we go. I will the water. Yeah, so if we do the is there, is so close, but that would also be a problem. So can we do, no, because then that would be, so me is Baba, but me is me. Between Fried and Trapped Johann, yes. So not close in the level. We will see, and remember, reminder, if you are going for an option that does not win, your points will be refunded. Lambda calculus is a fairly simple concept to explain, but the actual code with it will melt your brain. I haven't done lambda calculus, but I did have to use lambda expressions for, that was how my internship that we were using C sharp or C++. Oh god, I can't even remember. C something or other lambda functions for doing our database calls. Literally taxes saved for old people? Huh? Oh. Yes, the social security net. Put money on the option. If it doesn't win, I get all the money back all at once. I mean, that isn't quite how those things work, but, I guess I'm mostly familiar with US one because, you get a lot of videos talking about why it sucks. Okay. How many points are you gonna get back? Quite a few. Okay. Baba. So me is a fine thing to let through, right? So if we do this, as soon as Baba is melt, that's a problem. We can't make me as you. So crap, what do we do? It's me. So we still want Baba to go through first, but if Baba becomes me, wait, so Baba is, no, but that just makes it purple. So that's fine. Definition of lambda calculus functions can only take one argument and return one value. Okay. There's a wall in the middle. A wall here, yes? Is what you mean? Or no? You mean over here? This one? Okay. Yes, there's a wall. Oh, so if we push for, I see, so if we push for long. No, you're fair, you're true. With that wall in the way, you can only bring one piece of text at a time. One text at a time, and it didn't cost me a dime. So, Baba is me. Yes, definitely, the One Piece manga. No, I don't know. See, here's the thing about Johnny Cash. I never know if it's an original song by him or one they just sort of made his. So Baba is me. Cannot work. Baba is Baba and me is me. Tile is tile. Tile is hot. I'm feeling hot. Whoa. So we can move that through just fine, but it don't mean a whole lot. So that if we make tile is me. Oh. Wait. Oh. 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 Okay. Some weird shenanigans you need to do something as simple as adding two numbers. Because it takes in one and then returns one. Boop, 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 boop. Wow, that was really obvious and not to my brain. Nice, no, that's a good extra there. I was so locked in on the other one. And me did zero things. Yep. I think we'll do this one, and then we'll take a look at Jawa's. We'll look at thoughtfulness, and then that will probably be the day. Unless this one goes like blazingly quickly. Skull has wall. Skull is melt. Baba is me. Baba is you. Wall is stop. Baba is hot. Babot. Intriguing. This one is fairly simple, I say, without knowing that Johan is about to spend 5 hours on it. That seems about right. Okay. Skull has wall. Skull is melt. Have I... Great example of things that Johan can do. I remember when I was given a problem in one of my coding camps. They were trying to get us like shuffle a deck of cards and just come up with ways of doing that. And I accidentally recreated the Fisher-Yates shuffle, which like makes sense, but it's like, God damn it! Why can't I do that one? Why can I do that independently, but on just some of the simple stuff, why do I struggle? I love the Fisher-Yates shuffle. Now that I know like formally how it works, it's great, but I remember just like, oh, what if... Oh... That's why I felt like it was simple, but so many people got stuck on it for a bit. Oh, well then it should be fast for me at this rate. So Skull has wall, Skull is melt, and then I'm assuming me is hot, Baba is hot, wall is stop, Baba is you. So it's sort of, you can't retrace your path. Okay. So we need to get it so that flag is win. So Baba is flag, flag is win. Ah. So, what do we do with that? So, Baba is flag, and then flag is win. So, we need to have something else that is also us. So, like, me is Baba. It can't be all of that. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, or Baba is Baba. Doi. So if we make Baba is Baba. So we can't return it down through there. We can't push it up. Ooh, wait, so how would we get Baba is Baba? We would need things that don't work, right? Because, so that gets sealed off. So there isn't really a way to move that over, is there? Because if we do that, it's stuck. If we do that, it would also be stuck. So our only other option would be down here, which also gets it stuck. Can we even get a single piece of text through? Good question, Johan. Let's find out. So, we can move something like so. But then we're stuck. Okay. So this is a spatial thing. So we can push something down here, but then it gets stuck. So a lot of these are like one. So this is obviously intended for us to be able to pass through multiple times. Why do we need to pass through multiple times? We need to get some sort of text. Why do we have that text over there? Because if we can't pull anything else out, why have it? So we need a way for Baba to stay Baba, probably. So Baba is Baba would make a lot of sense, but... Oh, wait a moment. Hold up. So somewhat like this. And then... No, because we still, ultimately, we can't push it down enough, can we? Oh, or we... Because we can push it down there. But now we're trapped here, and we have to push it over that far, which is too much. Right? So, that doesn't quite work. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, so like if we could get it to stay there, if we could get it to do this thing that it's not doing. Ah, but we can push it further like that. Okay. And then no, because we still don't get to push it down. So we would need one more thing to push it with. Because now we have to do that. Okay. And there's not a way to bring the text over. Is there a way? So going from down here, that's only pushing up. Why in this order? Why not left piece gets in place first? Pardon? Why not left piece gets in place first? Well, I'm ultimately trying, we want is here and Baba to the left. Left piece of text gets in place first. I'm not following. But we want the Baba and is next to each other, and I think that we have to do that. Because it doesn't work out anyway. Oh, well, darn. Python, it's lambda x, lambda y, x plus y, by the way. Oh, for doing addition? Ugh. I would need to parse that. Make Baba stays Baba. That's all you're right about. So, how to connect them is not. Okay. Okay. Why do you have me and me? Good question. Like, we could potentially turn Baba into me, but then we don't have anything that's you. We have a me down there. Me doesn't have anything, so it won't drop anything. Like, okay, ultimately, this section is where things can meet up, right? Oh. Wait, I am curious. So if we do something like this... So if we already have it pushed down... But then we're still going to get stuck. Ah, and that will do Baba's defeat. It's almost like you thought about this. Crazy. So we get stuck and we die. Isn't that fantastic? But that we only die, or we only get stuck because we had the me there. So, okay, so that is definitely... So you thought about it. Crazy. So... we could do Mia's defeat there. But Baba's me does not seem great. Oh, but it only goes infinite if... Ooh, so... Why do we have me and me? Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Okay. So what if... No, wait, that would not. Okay, wait, so Baba is me. Whoop. Nope. And me is me in the other direction doesn't work. So... how does Baba stay Baba? Without getting trapped. There's no other place where we can try and get the letters to meet together. So it's got to be something with that middle pipe. But what about it? Huzzah! We're gonna do this one and then take a look at the thinking puzzle if we've got time. Push up on my tutoring. We're currently trying to figure out, so Baba is flag, flag is win. That's what we do. So we need to figure out a way so that Baba doesn't transmute. We were thinking about Baba is Baba, but any way that we do that either gets Baba stuck or Baba gets defeat. But it's got to be something with this pipeline because that's the only place where we can try and push together some of these sentences. Function that takes x as an argument and returns another function that takes y and returns the sum. Gotcha. I have had a friend try to explain functional programming to me, ones where functions return functions, and I still have yet to have that click. Part of that, though, is I haven't tried writing anything in a functional programming language. Okay, so what do? You can make me as Baba. That seems totally valid, Pug. If it is a miserable experience to watch. I take zero offense. I mean, I take zero offense anyway, but even less than zero. -1 offense is taken. So, what if we get something like this? Bye-bye, again, yes, fare ye well. Okay, so what if we do something along these lines? Guys, think too horizontally because, no, and that's, you'll note, I'm suddenly, oh wait, no, I screwed that up. I am trying to think vertically at this point. Because that would help explain why you've got so many options for us to pass through down here. I don't quite know the rule to construct, but also I think I screwed it up anyway, but so we can get the is through. Baba is me! Yay! So I don't think we can do Baba is Baba vertically, though. Can we? Because we need both the is and the Baba over, which would probably take too many resources, right? That take functions as arguments and or return functions. I still don't get it. Fair enough. 'Tis magic. It's like, so if we do this, now the problem is the is gonna get stuck. Replay the first level and overthink how the me works. Okay. Oh! Oh? So if Baba is me, then... Wait, no. What if I overthink it here? So if Baba is me, then if Baba is me, does that count as a tautology? Bob be you. Okay. So if we do that, and then we do this, config, your config parser does take functions as arguments. Baba is me, what happens when me is something? It would turn Baba into that, presumably. So, it could work as a tautology. I need to be more efficient in the movement, but let's see if this even functions. Because I would be worried about things dying. Oh, but me is Baba? So, me is Baba, and then we just need to be efficient with how we use the space. Oh, oh, no, we don't even need to be that efficient with how we use the space, because then it's... that should have been a hint to me. That should have been a very big hint to me. Dang parser for another project, and then just kept using config parser. I assumed with the QO that it was probably yours. Okay. Ugh. Nobo, I genuinely think one of the biggest parts of why this confused me, of why I didn't even consider trying this, was because me as a quality, I'm forgetting the right word for it, was sitting in my brain as it was sitting in my brain as, oh no, but that would make me defeat, but it's the wrong me. Oh. Ah, very nice. Okay. I look forward to more of that with a slightly better understanding of what the me means under my belt, but God, that's a tough one. Jawa, are you still here? I guess I should actually ask before taking a crack at it. Because otherwise we can probably fit one or... Bach again. Here, there, and Bach again. I'm guessing they're still not here, or that they have left. I'll give it another second or two. But then we can do one more of these, and then we'll call it good. Thinking of me and me as a directional group is actually easier. Yeah, directional group. We have time for an level, because I've got tutoring. So starting a batch of 3 levels seems... The closet. Okay. Okay. It's actually simple. Bob is you. Even for me. Uh-oh. Well, see, now you've just cursed it. Yeah. So Bob is you, me is part of the me group, and then we've got me. Me is skull, so we want something that's win. Okay. So if we just do this, me becomes a skull. Oh, wait, no, so we need... So me is me and win would work. So then we just need something to be... Huh, so Baba is me, and then... Oh, so me is me and win. But then, how does the skull work out? Well, let's see how this works tautology-wise. So me is skull. Me is me and win. Okay. Because me as a property needs to be maintained, right? Because we can't just leave it there. As cheese, you think? I do love me some cheese. Because as soon as we move that off, right? Yeah, okay. Can we do Baba is me and me is you? So Baba is me. And then boop. Me is you. Whoop. Or is that cheese? Oh, but wait, so we want to do that. So we want to do that in a way where we can make it so that we can do it horizontally, right? Yeah, because that dooms us. So we can temporarily do that. Okay. But we want it so that... Or I guess we could do, like, me is me and win. Whoop. Oh, right, no, okay. No infinite loopage. Okay. But can we use this to make it horizontal? Yeah. Okay. Baba is me. But we want me as Baba. At some point I'm just gonna make a level pack that's 100% spatial reasoning in Baba just to teach people how to move sentences efficiently. I could use the training, yes. Okay, no. So we want horizontal Baba is me quality on this line. We don't have two characters, so that's tough, isn't it? So making cursed level pack? Nice. Oh wait, so we do this. There we go. And then we can do this. And then we just rinse and repeat, right? There we go. So Baba is me, me is you. Okay. But then, if we do me, whoop, no, because we still need Baba is me. Funny how this world is all about me and you, but crash. Okay, because we can't do me as me. Okay. How to make this work? I had the thought there. The joke is unintentional, but it works so well, and we take those. We can do so. Me as Baba and win doesn't help us. Me is you is me. No, so that would not be a sentence that we could push in. Me is you and win. So we need it to not be Baba is me is you. We need it so that it's not either Baba or me as the noun over the is skull, right? It needs to be the group one. But then that doesn't really work. Me is you and win would, though. So do we do it as Baba is me? No. No, 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 no. Oh man, I thought I had it. I thought I had something earlier and I've completely lost it, even though I've got the setup for the thing I was thinking of. Or maybe I was just wrong earlier and felt right unjustifiably. This is close, yes, but what do we do? What are we missing here? Because, so whether it's me or Baba as a noun, we run into problems. Unless we have a tautology. Unless we have a tautology. Because then if me is me, it can't be transformed, right? Tautology, Tautology, something that is true because it is true. Me is me, one is one. When does the tautology club meet? The tautology club meets when the tautology club meets. Gotta love how I have to tell Windows, yes, I do want to install the program I intentionally double-clicked on, thank you, every single time you want to install anything. Heyo, yep. When do I finish the level? When the level is done. Sort of. I don't think. I think it literally needs to be. It would be, when will I finish the level? I will finish the level when I finish the level, I think would be proper tautology. I'm not super well versed in it. I have come across it as a useful thing. It's literally, the answer is in the statement or in the question. So if we push this, this ain't it. This ain't it, chief. You need to go to bed because you need to go to bed. Here, hold up, real quick. Tautology definition. The saying of the same thing twice in different words, generally considered to be a fault of style. Logic, a statement that is true by necessity or by virtue of its logical form, so I may have misunderstood it. You will release your game when you release your game, yes. Mathematical, logic, a tautology. Give me examples. History. Background. Tautology examples, come on. It will rain or it will not rain. Oh. Well then, never mind. I've been misusing it this entire time. How the grid goes off level. Oh, I do see that now. Custom rules are made in-game, yeah. Okay. So... God, we're so close. We're so close. What are we missing? By necessity is a tautology, yes. So, I was too narrow in my understanding of it. The cat is black, or it is not black, because that covers the entire universe. Okay. So, we can't just push this over. We would need to create like a tautology or something. So Baba is me, and then Baba is me and win. Is me and win, but we need the is for is you, so we can't chain together something like that. So it needs to be a 3. Is there any statement that we can make like that? Crap. So Baba. Whoop. Ah. Okay. So like we've got a way of moving it down efficiently. Now we've got Baba is you in line. Turn yourself into the me. That's what I was thinking, but... So, like, Baba is me, the creature. Okay. And then... we need... What do we do here? What do we do? What do we do with a drunken Johann? What do we do with a drunken Johann? What will we do with a drunken Johann late in the evening? So, because if we do me is me... So, wait, hold up. We can do... So, me is... We can't do me is me property. Me is me property. But we can do that. So that's a tautology, but then... That don't work. And if we do it the other way... The me is you one down. But... Won't... What? Because that's still going to... Okay, so we do this. And then, isn't that going to still transmute me into a skull? Yeah. So it's not just that. And we can't do this, because that's an infinite loop. Me is me behind it. Oh my god! I'm out here trying real hard to use the friggin' group thing. Ah! Well, I overlooked Mia's group in the previous solution, so I need to pay more attention to it this time, to the apparent tunnel vision and exclusion of everything else. Ah! Alrighty. Well, hey. We did it. We survived. These are good. These are good because I need to think about them more, but also, yeah, Johan tunnel visions things. Johan overthinks things. Johan ignores important information things. Ah! But we made it through, so very fun. Thank you, Nobo. We're going to call it for today. Let me take a quick look if there's anyone we can raid, although I need to get going pretty darn quick. Oh hey, let's head on over to Tonberry Java. We've raided him a number of times after Sigma's stream. It does some lovely puzzle things and is currently working on Islands of Insight. So we will raid on over there, and obviously weekend will be off, but I will be coming back Monday through Friday with the normal schedule, and then we'll have to figure out the new norm from there. But thank y'all, this has been a blast. Yep, good night, Nobo, thank you for hanging out. This has been a blast, we made some good progress in Celeste, although that one berry has me shaking my fist. And we got to play some fun Baba, so thank y'all. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. But for now, we're going to raid over. I'm stalling for time because I'm trying to remember how to spell. Yes, Tonberry, Java. There we go. We are going to be raiding on over there with some Islands of Insight. And yeah, have a fantastic rest of your day. Hopefully catch you on Monday when we will be starting Rain World. But for now, bye! Oh, the work was fun, but the wages low. Leave her, Johann, leave her. I guess it's time for us to go, and it's time for us to leave her.